Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini API key in VS Code. First, open Visual Studio Code. You will need to install the Python extension if you haven't already. This setup ensures your development environment is ready for integrating powerful AI capabilities. We will then proceed to obtain and configure your unique API key for seamless project execution. To get your API key, visit the Google AI Studio website. Log in with your Google account, then locate the Get API Key section. Click to create a new API key for your project. Once generated, carefully copy this key. Remember, your API key is like a password, so keep it confidential and never share it publicly. Now, let's configure the key in VS Code. Open your terminal within VS Code and set an environment variable named Gemini API KEY to your copied key. Next, create a new Python file. In this file, import the necessary Gemini library and write a few lines of code to initialize the model using your environment variable. This allows your script to securely access the API. To test, simply run your Python script. You should see a response from the Gemini API confirming your setup is correct. For best practices, avoid hard-coding your API key directly into your code. Use environment variables or a secure secrets manager. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. This helps keep your projects secure and your life organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.